Next on you see our EBS circuit PCB. It's only for actuating the emergency brake system.
Let's go.
Today I show you some of our PCBs. Here I show you our EBS PCB. It's the PCB for our emergency brake system, which actuates the brakes during autonomous driving. We have here everything implemented just to have the signals for the pressures and the shutdown circuit. It's on a small package, as you can see here, and has still many parts in it, but they're really small. KA-RaceIng is the founding student team of the KIT, the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. The Formula Student is the biggest engineering competition worldwide right now, and we build like small F1-like electric cars right now. We build it all by ourselves in around 1 year of developing, manufacturing, testing, and then going to events. That's one of a year we do. This year at the events we were quite successful. Getting 2 times the second place, 1 times third place. We're quite proud of our car we built last year and try to improve it next year, of course.